What's up, guys? Welcome back to No Plate. Today we got the Supra today. Today is the first day we start working on it. We're gonna start this build off today. Today we're gonna do wheels and tires. We're gonna see how the wheels fit, and then we're gonna order some suspension for it. Should be interesting to see how they fit. I went with 20s. They're back at the shop right now. We're gonna go take some pictures of the car stock, just to have something of the car stock. We don't really have much content of the car stock, and then we're gonna go install the wheels and tires, give the car a wash, and then take it out, see how it looks with the 20s, and then see what else we got planned for today. We'll see. We're gonna go with the flow today. We're back at the shop now. We're gonna grab the wheels. We just drove the car in. They're gonna take the stock wheels off. I'm gonna grab the new wheels. We're gonna mount them and then install them and then see how it looks. Here are the wheels. So this will be the first of many sets of wheels that will go on this car. We went with 20-inch stitch wheels. What offset did we go? We went 20 by 9s. With an offset of 27. We're going front tires, 255 30/20s in the front. And then the rears, we're going tires, we're going 385 30/20s. With the rears, 20 by 10.5, offset plus 40. So once these are done, we're gonna wash the car, we're gonna take it out for a spin, make sure everything's good, get a couple pictures, and then just get ready for the rest of this build. We'll see. Turned out not bad. It does need to be lowered for sure. We're gonna take it out, wash it, and then show you guys how it looks. All right, guys. So here it is. It's not done, but this is step one. We got the wheels on there, the tires. We did go with the 20-inch wheels, 9.5 in the front. I think we said 10.5 in the rear, something like that. But the one thing I see here, the gap is way too big. So for sure, we're gonna have to go with we're gonna have to lower it for sure. We gotta see what suspension we're gonna want to go with. It probably needs about a 2-inch drop, 1.5 probably. So that's in the front. Here's in the rear. As you can see, there's a lot more room in the rear, so for sure we're gonna have to lower it somehow. Maybe go wider tires, I think. I don't know, but for now it looks really good. We still have the tint to do, the suspension, waiting on the exhaust. Once the material comes in for the wrap, we're gonna rewrap it, and then it looks really good. It came out really good, so I'm excited. It's the first part of the build, so let's see what's next. And then now we're gonna do some rollers.
Made it from the bottom. Now look, we rich and
famous. So it rides really good still with the wheels. I like how it still has grip for sure, even though it still spins a little bit, but it still has really good grip. I want to get wider tires, but it's fun. It didn't lose too much. You can still feel the power. The wheels were not heavy at all, so that's a good thing. This is going to be a very fun build, guys. We're going to have a lot of fun with this car. I'm excited for this car because it's a fun toy car. On the M8, there's not really much I can do on the M8 because there's not many things that there is available for the car. So it's a good thing that we got something like this where there's a lot of parts, there's a lot of aftermarket stuff. So I'm waiting for a tune. I want to get a tune on this. They're really fast with the tunes. Exhaust is coming soon. Suspension we gotta figure out. And then we gotta keep driving it. We gotta drive this thing and see how much fun we have with it. Let's not hit this guy. Pulling up to the gas station. Of course, we always need gas. Somehow we always end up at the gas station. So let's get gas. So of course now gas in San Diego is about $6. So they're taking all our money. Alright guys, so that's it for today. We got a new video coming next week. This video, then new video next week, and then we're gonna have a big surprise for you guys in 2 weeks. That you guys don't want to miss. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and then stay tuned because we got a lot coming for you guys. It's gonna be very fun. Enjoy.